Alright, I'm going to show you a little ATV hookup. I mean, I didn't show you from the beginning, but I'm going to show you all now. Obviously, I'll cut a hole on the top and put a voltage gauge so that way, you know, she knows if the battery's dying or not. It's for my older daughter sitting over there. Alright, and you know, forward and backward I have to write it, and I just installed a switch. I'm going to show you all that just now. See the switch? Let me put it on. And it shows how many voltage. And open this up. And that's why I did all the connections. The harness that goes to the truck, I just took the positive and stick it in there. And the negative and stick it in there. As you can see, it's right here. Right there. The positive is the red and black obviously is the negative. And I run the wire, some speaker wires, all the way down to the battery. And as you can see, I bridged it with the gauge, the voltage gauge. And that's it. Obviously I cut a little bit of plastic off so that way the battery slides in nicely down there instead of where they put it. I don't like that. I don't even know that's where they put it, but I suggested that's where they put it. But I slid it in the back there, and this is how the car is. Well, ATV. So, I'm gonna let her ride it, and you could see that it works. Okay, ride it.
Oh, gotta turn it on. I'm a little tall for this thing, though.
Yeah, she's a little tall, but it's free.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found it at the side of the road.
It's awesome.
Next time I'll put some lights on it. You could have just came back right up here, so that way you don't have to go in the dark. Yeah, it got some speed to it.
Got great speed.
Alright guys, that's my little upgrade. Bye.
Bye.